How we doing, everyone? We are back again with another 2 tickets. This time we got 2 of the $20 230 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Now these ones here, we have the overall odds. Going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. That's what we are shooting for, but we will always take what we can find. Alright guys, today we have tickets 15 and 16. We're going to get started with ticket 15 here. If you have not seen me do these before, we are looking for that money bag symbol to win $100 instantly, or the 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. And we just got to hope that it is not the $1 under that prize. Alright guys, enough talking. Let's get scratching, get into it, and get some wins. This is ticket number 15. And we are looking for 40. 25, 43, 2, 10, 45, and 14. Let's start out with a 46, 27, 47, 1, 35, 18, 11, 21, 24, 6, 5, 3, 19, 34, 42, 28, 29, 23, 8, 36. Alright guys, we got one row left. Can we find it? Here's my lucky 44, not on this one. 31, 37, 38, 50 in the corner. Alright guys, so nothing on the first one, ticket 15. We'll set that off to the side, move on to ticket 16 here. Hopefully this one has a win. We're looking for 14, 12. There's my lucky 44, 45, 39, 22, 36. I'm going to start out with a 34, 37, 43, 50, 46, 30, 10, 49, 21, 9, 7, 4, 28, 25, 17. All right, we got 2 rows left. Can we do it? Can we find something? Boom, we do. We do find something. We find the hundo. Look at that. Boom. I was getting a little worried. See if we can get anything else. Can we get anything else? 24, 13, 33, 26. One more match would move it up to a $200 win. 38, 40, 31, 29, 11 in the corner. All right. We got the hundo. Boom. All right, guys. We spent a total of 40 this time. We got the one win for 100. The second one was going to be a loser. As always, guys, if you would, it'd help the channel out a lot if you'd give this one a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not before, and we will see you on the next one.